Welcome to Adventures with Claire. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips to save money on gas for all your adventures. Yo! Tip number 1, don't be a leadfoot. Sounds simple, hard to do though for some of us, especially if you're pulling a trailer. When you pull a trailer, there's a big difference between 65 miles an hour and 80. Alright, so I have a 2021 F-150, and a lot of vehicles have a gas mode basically to help you save on gas. So mine has a mode called Eco right here, and if you're looking to save some gas, this will definitely help you. It basically just stops you from accelerating so fast, and that's pretty much what it does. Alright, tip number 2 is going to be tire pressure. Every tire has a recommended tire pressure somewhere on their tire. So follow the recommendations for your tires and you will get better gas mileage. Simple as that. Alright, tip number 3, take a fuel efficient route. Most map systems on your phone or your vehicle have settings to do fuel efficient routes. So it might be a little bit longer, but there are fuel efficient routes if you wanted to go that way. Alright, tip number 4 is drop weight of what you are carrying. If you are pulling the toy hauler and you've got 4 four-wheelers in there and you're only going to need 2 of them, I know it sucks, but if you take 2 of them out and drop weight, you'll definitely save money heading to your far trips. Also, with that in mind, if you are carrying rooftop racks and you have stuff on top of your vehicle, try to make that as most aerodynamic as possible. More wind drag costs more fuel. This right here will have a lot more wind drag than this right here. So maybe look into getting a hard cover if you're carrying a lot of stuff on top of your vehicle instead of just strapping it on there. Alright, tip number 5, last and final tip, is do a rewards program with whatever place you like to get gas. So I personally do Chevron. Chevron, you can save 10 cents every gallon if you use their app. Also, your first 3 fill-ups, you can save $1 per gallon on your first 3 fill-ups. So you can save $75 with that alone because they have a 25-gallon limit on what you can buy with that discount. But your first 3 fill-ups when you use the Chevron app will save you $1 per gallon. So, all right. Those are my 5 tips for saving gas for your adventures. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like the content. A lot more content coming to help you with your adventures. See you.